My next stage is to put the circles in for the medal holders. So I shall create a sketch onto this surface, and I'm going to start by drawing a circle somewhere on the left hand side here. I know the diameter needs to be 50, so all I need to do is type in 50, press enter, and if I select the centre or drag my mouse over the centre there, it kind of locks on. I can come across there and get the next one at the same height. Again, type in 50, same again. A slight overlap there, not to worry. I forgot to type in 50, but I can dimension this one with the dimension tool. So another circle, 50 again, and the last one, oh, press escape, have another go at that one, over to here, and once again I'll dimension that to 50. Now, next stage is to get them all the same distance apart. So I want to leave a gap of about 20 here. I know this is 50 all the way across, so that's 25. If I add another 20 to that, that would give me a distance of 45. So make sure I'm on dimension, click the centre and the edge, and I'm going to make, oops, try that again, centre and the edge. And I'll make that 45. A gap of 20 between these two, so 25 for the first circle, 25 for the second, and 20 in the middle. That would mean a gap total of 70. Same for the next one, 70 between the centres. Now things are starting to get a bit confusing, so I'm going to right click, select OK, and I'm just going to manually move this one along a bit, and I think I'm going to run out of space. So I'll finish the sketch, go back to my original extrusion. If I double click, I think the distance should be 370. Click on OK, reopen my sketch 2, double click, and I shall try manually moving this along. I seem to have automatically locked onto the centre there. I think for convenience I'll try deleting that. I'll do another couple of quick circles, but the gap between them should be 70 between the centres. Onto dimension between there and there, 70. Same for the next one. And zoom all to see everything on the screen, and that seems to be laid out fairly neatly. So I'll finish the sketch, zoom to see everything on the screen, and next stage is to extrude each of these, and you want to cut them inwards, and probably if the medal's 5mm wide, let's say 7, and select OK. Now I'm going to change the colour of this, so instead of using the generic colour, I'm going to aim to get some kind of wood. See if I can find one in here. So hopefully I've got wood somewhere near the bottom. This is alphabetical. Not, and I'll try white oak. Not quite what I had in mind, not to worry, we'll go with that. Next job is I'll select the centre portions where the medals are going to go, and I should be able to hold control on the keyboard, select all 5 of them, and for these I'll go for a blue, I think. Let's see, cadet blue. Okay, so there's a wee bit of contrast between the two different areas of the medal holder now. Another little thing, I'm going to use the fillet command for a feature which will make the whole thing, and a small radius of 2mm to look like it's been sanded neatly, and I could do the same thing, another fillet of 2, could do that to the edges of each of the medal holder sections.